Pagkaing swak kanino man, lalong-lalo na sa mga bata.
What do you say?
This is the best ever moved in the world.
Potato balls na very gooey and yummy. Seaweeds na napaka-healthy. And calamari na pwedeng-pwede sa marami.
That's good.
Really good?
Yeah, I really like it.
Dumpling that has everything.
Who's ready to go to Changi?
Me. No, not you. Not you.
Samahan nyo kaming puntahan at tikman ang bagong pinipilahan dito sa may Angeles City. Ang Changi Food Center. Craving never stops talaga sa lahat ng options na talaga namang magiging favorite mo bawat isa. Lalong mas masaya pag may kasama.
Hindi tinipid yung beef. Tinan mo naman, no? Mas makapal pa siya sa batok ko. Tinan mo naman. Then the noodles,
Pig naman.
very firm. Oy, tinan mo naman. Wait.
Beef bowl pa lang. Ayos na.
I used to hate dumplings.
Now you like it? Oh, wow.
Satisfy your craving here. Ika nga.
Ayan. So ito naman, dumplings. Let's try.
So good. Can I say something?
So hot pero ang sarap. Grabe.
Changi Chicken Bites. Best seller to buy.
Yummy. I really like this potato balls. Really recommend. But what I really like was the sour cream. Was my favorite flavor.
Oh, wow. Nutri Seaweeds. Yes, ito yung healthy na, flavorful pa. So, something that yung mga health conscious, you may want to try it.
It's still good without sauce. Try it.
Meron kayong kimchi.
Kimchi po?
Apa?
Korean yung flavor po.
Ay, kala ko yung
I
mismo
really like it.
vegetable.
Calamares. Wow, ang laki. Yeah, tingnan natin. Mahulog. Hap.
Masarap.
Try this one.
Yeah, you dip it in the vinegar. It's good.
Oh.
Kung busy ka naman, pwede kang magpa-deliver sa Lalamove at sa Grab pabili. Try mo na!